Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to SM CAD. Today I will show you how we can write, emboss and engrave text on a 3D object. I draw for you one 3D object here and also I do the taxation. I write this text emboss and engrave on this 3D object. You can see here this is outside the object and that is inside the object, which is called emboss and engrave. You can see from top view also. Yes, you can see this is outside of the object. So we will start our tutorial. First of all, we have to be here on 3D model. Okay. And here I need to go 2D wireframe. So first I will draw an object which should be cylinder. The diameter will be 30. I give 30 and height I give 50 also. Okay. Now I need to write the text. So empty for text. Here I'll go for size with the 5 unit and I need will make it black and here also will make it a little bit Arial black. So it will become bigger. Okay, here I will write the same emboss, enter, and then engrave. Okay. Now, next step we need to do text exp. Okay, it's called text exclude. Just select the text, enter, and now we come to home, draw, and we will do region here. Okay, region, select all objects, enter. Then we will do union. Okay, union, UN, I for union, enter. We need to make grouping for this text, enter, and also for this text, enter. So it become like again one more text. Now we'll go to an isometric view. We have a command 3DR. We need to rotate this text, okay, on this axis with the 90-degree. Now I will move this text with the baseline, both of them, and I will just keep it here. And then I will go to front side or front view and select the text again and move from any base point. I need to bring it here in the middle. Okay. Now again, I will go to an isometric view and here I will go for solid. And then here I need to extrude this text here, this one here, enter, and you should be come out from the cylinder. That much extrude you should give. I'll give freehand. Okay. Now to do this text, this one here, I need emboss two units outside from the cylinder or from the object and also 2 units to inside. So this diameter is 30. I will draw here one circle which should be 28 units and one more that will be 32 units. So both side we will keep 2 units. Okay, for the text. I'll come here to surface and again here I'll extrude this, enter, and height I'll give 50. You can give random also, but I give 50. Then we will move this surface to the enter and we'll take this base point. Here we are selecting only the surface, that's why this message is coming, but you need to just make it continue and keep it here. Sorry, not here. It has to go to that point, another one, which is this one, and we will trace the middle. Okay, and delete this. Okay, just I will move this a little bit far away. Okay, now rotate that little bit and we have a command slice to cut this text. Okay, SLIC, slice, enter. This all text I need to slice, then enter. Here I need to select surface and here I'll select the outer surface. Okay, outer surface, and I need to select on keep both until finish. Enter. Okay, I need to delete this. No need for that. Okay, and also outer surface I don't need anymore. Again slice, enter. These are the text to slice, enter, and now here surface, and this time is the inner surface, enter, and again keep both until it is finished, then enter, double enter. Okay, now I don't need this inner surface, and also I don't need these text anymore, so delete that. Here again I will just make a union. Okay, for this text, for the emboss, enter. Okay, and this one I need to subtract, so we have subtract, su for subtract, enter, subtract from this, enter, these items, enter, so that has been subtracted. You can see here on 2D view also, this is emboss, this is engrave. Okay, but we will go to realistic view. Yeah, you can see here this one text is embossed and this is engrave. So I hope something you learn from here. If you like this video, follow me for more AutoCAD tutorial. Thank you.